Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 210, and we are here in downtown San Francisco right now, and Cassandra had a great question, kind of going into the question from the Ask Matt the other day, and I was talking about giving hints on different ways to get sales and what you put into your packages, and how I was talking about getting referrals for different people, and they go out and sell shirts for you and sell decals for you. And the question was that Cassandra had was, how did you keep track of all of that stuff? So back then, because I didn't have a nice system like you can have now with Ecwid, E-C-W-I-D, look it up. That's one of the main ones I started my business with once I figured it out. But back then, I actually made coupon codes that their friends would have to enter when they order something on the website. So when they put that coupon code in, then I would have a special coupon code for each person that would link it to, let's say, Jamie Smith or Sean Johnson or whatever, whoever was the actual one that was promoting everybody and kind of my sales rep out there. But now what you can do is you can track, for example, through Ecwid or any type of other website that you may have, you can actually track those coupon codes and see who purchased. So now if John Smith, I made a coupon code that said John Smith 01, I could search those coupon codes and I'm actually able to see that, okay, that coupon code has been used 10 times and I knew John Smith. So I would check it. I normally checked it every month, and that's how I would kind of know, okay, they sold 10 decals or they sold 10 shirts or whatever it is. And then I would just contact them because I wanted, honestly, to give away that shirt because that's going to motivate them to sell more shirts for me. They're selling more shirts for me. I'm obviously making more money business-wise, and then I just make them a shirt, which is pretty awesome. So they were getting something out of it, but more importantly, they were gaining a customer base for me, which I can now sell them shirts at other times. So hopefully, Cassandra, that question or that answer helped you out with that question. Hopefully it helps you. But again, off the start, what I did is just Microsoft Excel sheet because I didn't have the ability to track coupon codes back then at that time. So I just used a Microsoft Excel sheet. I had all the names of the people that I was doing that with, and then I would have to go in and search it every single month. Okay? So hopefully that helped you out. Of course, remember, click that like button right there. Click the subscribe button right there, and the real one right there. And if you missed yesterday's vlog, it's right over here. All right, crew, you guys have an amazing day, amazing night. I will be back tomorrow here from the Santa Clara show, MBM. Hopefully you're in the area, and I'll see you in the class tomorrow. All right, crew? Later. Comment below. Let me know some questions. Later.